classroom itself, when I asked this question, what are the engineering roles you want to play after your graduation, I got different answers. First answer is as a designer, second is on the researcher, and some of them they say that after completing their research activities, they will join the academic positions, then project leader, and some students they want to, very few, they want to become an entrepreneur after their graduation, and some of them they don't have any idea, they just to say engineer, that's all. Then some of them they say they want just an industry job, government job, or the defense job, something like that. So the one student, they don't need all these things there, but our system should be flexible. That is in terms of curriculum design, content delivery, or in the assessment, we should meet each group. So we need a flexible system. So what is the flexible system implies? It's a OBE and CBCS, outcome-based education, and a choice-based credit system. And the further thing is, students wants to use whatever the things they have learned in their graduation or during the program throughout his or her professional life. They may see, they may get to see 5 or 6 absences in technology also. That is going to be as a key point we are going to provide. So the flexible system is the key. That means how we are going to offer this particular thing. I just look back the engineering education in general. What are the things we get to do? We get to build the knowledge, skill, and attitude that will enable the graduate to proceed for the next level. That is for the training and experience that will develop the competencies required for their independent practice in an engineering role. So the combination of these 3 things called as the knowledge, skill, and attitude provide the ability for a graduate to perform an activity in an independent practice role. So the question is now, what are the abilities a student should get during the program in the campus? It is given by the graduate attributes. Normally it is called as program outcomes in National Board of Accreditation in India. These skills, knowledge, skill, and attitude, what are the things to possess as they graduate from the engineering program. This program outcome is the guideline for framing any curriculum in OBE basis, and course outcomes becomes as the minor part of or the micro level of this particular things. So as a faculty, how can we do better to improve the ability of the students? Of course, within the available student, faculty, time, funding, and other resources. So whatever the things available here, we want to improve the ability of the students. That means the learning outcome should be much better what we are achieving now through the way 3 things, and I believe it is most important here. One is the curriculum design, second part is the content delivery, and the third part is the assessment. So these 3 things are an important aspects here, and my focus will be on these 3 things alone. So the thing is, in order to understand these things, I just give another motivation from the Bloom's taxonomy that in the cognitive domain, it introduces 6 levels. It has 6 levels in the Bloom's taxonomy. First level is remember, understand, apply. These 3 things are known as lower order thinking skills. Analyze, evaluate, create. These 3 things are known as the higher order thinking skills. If we look at the program outcomes or the graduate attributes, that starts only from applying part of that. This is the engineering knowledge, how do they apply? So program outcome wise, it starts only from apply level. Then the next graduate attribute is a problem analysis, that is an analysis part. Then in the third program outcome and fourth one, they talk about how they are going to do the evaluate and create level now. So the idea is, any engineering program, the students should have a higher order thinking skills. How we are going to provide these things now. So this is from the Bloom's taxonomy. I'm just connecting it here to the curriculum design, content delivery, and assessment part. This will be a thread connecting all the 3, curriculum design, content delivery, and assessment.